Okay, so this is our material today. Ini materi kita hari ini, Amazing Animals. So, kita akan bahas tentang animals, hewan-hewan. Okay, so now we will have this warm-up question as always. Jadi di sini kita ada mulai pemanasan with look at the pictures and answer the following questions here. Can you name an animal that is? Oke, di sini kita punya 4 hewan. Oke, sekarang sebelum itu, before that we have some adjectives. Kita ada punya beberapa kata sifat nih. Some adjectives about animal, tentang hewan. We have cute, poisonous, fast, noisy, dangerous, friendly, common, clever, rare, weird. Oke, di sini kita udah punya beberapa jenis kata sifat nih. Ada cute, lucu, poisonous, beracun, fast, cepat, noisy, berisik, dangerous, berbahaya, friendly, ramah, common, umum, clever, pintar atau pandai, rare, langka, dan juga weird, aneh. Oke, so now here I want you to mention, menyebutkan nih, about animals that in based on the adjective. Jadi silakan disebutkan hewan apa aja nih yang kalian pilih. Misal kalian milih yang bagian adjective cute, berarti cute hewan yang cute contohnya apa aja? For example like cat, panda, or hewan-hewan lucu-lucu lainnya, dog, or something like that. So that is for the example. So, for example, I choose cute. So the kind of cute animals are panda, cat, dogs, and rabbit. So that is for the example. Okay, so now here I want you to choose 2 adjectives. Silakan pilih 2 kata sifat. Pilih cute, poisonous, fast, noisy, dangerous, friendly, common, clever, rare, atau weird. Bebas mau pilih yang mana aja. Terus kalian sebutkan untuk yang kalian pilih pertama itu hewannya apa aja. And then the second one hewannya apa aja. Do you get about my comment? Paham nggak kira-kira maksudnya? Do you understand? Grace, Zahra, Mutia?
Yes, Kak.
Okay. Okay, if you want to try it first, you can say it. Ada yang mau mencoba pertama? And then for the example tadi, I choose cute. So, cute animals are cat, dog, and then we have rabbit and panda. So this is for the example. Itu contoh. If you want to try it, ada yang mau coba di sini?
Yep, I wanna try.
Okay, Mutia, you want to try?
Yang dangerous. Ya,
Dangerous. Okay, you
berbahaya.
choose dangerous. Okay,
Itu
please.
apa namanya tadi? Eh, Pokoknya binatang yang dangerous tuh contohnya
Mm-mm.
lions
Lion,
gitu, jellyfish,
jellyfish. Okay,
snakes,
sorry.
terus snake, ular,
Snake. Mhm.
tiger,
Tiger,
bear,
bear.
and then apa ya?
Ada
Ini
lagi.
orca, orca.
Orca. So this
Ya,
like whale. Paus ya.
ya.
Okay, so that is whale. Paus orca. Orca. Okay, that's great. One more, Mutia. One adjective.
Apa ya?
Maksudnya,
Fast,
ya,
yang fast, lambat.
yang
Fast,
fast.
lambat.
Cepat ya.
Cepat.
Okay, fast. Okay, please.
Ini kangaroo,
Kangaroo. Okay.
and then snake bisa juga ya,
Snake.
cepat.
Okay. Okay,
Terus
that's
jaguar.
jaguar. Okay, kangaroo, snake, and jaguar. 3 animals.
Apa ya?
Ada lagi?
Hmm,
Any else?
yes. Dah.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much, Mutia, for trying this part.
Oke.
Okay. Okay, so that is Mutia choose dangerous and fast. So dangerous for lion, jellyfish, snake, tiger, bear, and orca. That is whale atau paus. And then fast, she chooses kangaroo, snake, and jaguar. Okay, next, Grace or Zahra. Siapa nih yang mau mencoba to mention about animals? Okay, Zahra, you wanna try? Or Chris, you want to try? Masih belum ya?
Speaking English or Indonesia?
In English.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you can mention the animals in English. Bebas nih, mau pilih yang apa aja. Nggak usah takut salah ya, karena nanti pasti akan bisa digolong-golongin. Jadi kelihatan, udah kelihatan nih, kelihatannya nih hewannya. So that is like dangerous or not, friendly or not, something like that. Oke, siapa yang mau coba? Or Chris or Zahra? Oke, Chris, you want to try?
Okay, I want to try.
Oke, please.
Uh, One clever, smart, clever animals are like dolphin,
Dolphin.
dolphin,
Mhm. Lumba-lumba, dolphin.
and
Mhm.
clever, dolphin ya.
Yeah, clever. So the clever animals are dolphin. Apalagi? Only one.
Yeah, only one.
Okay. And
Gitu.
then
And then number two is apa nih?
poisonous. Okay.
Poisonous. Poisonous animals
Poisonous.
are like snakes and spiders.
Snake and
Snake
spider.
and spiders.
Okay, you just snake and spider as poisonous animals, yeah.
Yeah,
And then you
like that.
choose clever is dolphin. Only dolphin.
Yes, I think
Okay.
this
Actually,
one.
you can count something like some dogs mungkin. Ada beberapa anjing yang pintar kan kadang.
Ah, yeah, gak
Oke.
kepikiran. I don't think
Okay,
this.
so they similar like dogs. So dolphin, dogs. Kadang kan ada yang anjing pelacak dan anjing-anjing yang membantu manusia.
Oh,
Okay, that's all, Grace.
yeah, get that all.
Okay,
Thank
perfect.
you.
So, okay, thank you. So this from Grace Clifford. So Clifford animals are dolphin and dog, and then for poisonous animals are snake and spider. Okay, that's a great opinion. Okay, Zahra, you want to try?
I wanna try it.
Okay, please.
Rare.
Rare. Okay,
The animal is Sumatra tiger
Sumatra tiger.
and Komodo.
Sumatra tiger and Komodo. Okay, that's great. And
And
then
common.
common animal. Mhm.
Uh, the the animal is dog,
Mhm.
cat, rabbit.
Mhm.
That's
Dog,
all.
cat, rabbit, and only three.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, thank you very much, Zahra, for mentioning the animals. Okay, so that is from Zahra. So the rare animals are Sumatra tiger and Komodo, and for common animals are dog, cat, and rabbit. Okay, I want to explain to you if you want to mention to say something more than two. Kalau ingin yang lebih dari dua, itu bisa pakai are. So, for example, kalau mau contoh mau nyebutin satu nih, rare animal. Kalau mau rare animalnya cuma satu, so that is like rare animal is Sumatra tiger. Nah, itu kalau cuma satu. Kalau rare animalsnya lebih dari satu, so rare animals are. Nah, karena lebih dari satu pakainya are. Rare animals are Sumatra tiger and Komodo. Nah, karena lebih dari satu. Jadi kalau yang disebutin mau lebih dari satu, itu are. Kalau yang disebutin only one, itu pakainya is. For example, the clever animal is dog. Nah, itu cuma satu. Kalau the clever animals are dog and dolphin. Nah, itu baru disebutin dua. Okay, that is short notes about this. Okay, so that is about in this part. So now here, okay, we have four pictures. We have owl, crocodile, kangaroo, and dolphin. Okay, so now we will move here. Look at the big animals in the photos. What are they called? where do they live, and what do they eat? And have you ever seen these animals in wild? Have you ever seen these animals in captivity? Oke, di sini kita ada dua pertanyaan nih. Oke, now di sini ada 4 foto nih. Jadi di sini semua akan kebagian satu-satu hewan nih. Ada 4 berarti yang satunya nggak akan kepilih. Oke, di sini akan Cat pilihin ya untuk gambarnya mau yang mana aja. Untuk gambar yang pertama, it will be cat. Oke, ini aku untuk gambar yang pertama, owl, that is me. And then for picture number two, we have crocodile. It will be mutiara, mutia ya, mutia will be crocodile. And kangaroo will be Grace, and dolphin will be Zahra. Jadi untuk picture number two, Mutia, picture number three, Grace, and picture number four is Zahra. Jadi nanti dijelaskan, look at the animals in the photos and what are they called, where do they live, and what do they eat. Terus, have you ever seen these animals in wild? Have you ever seen these animals in captivity? Nah, itu nanti dijelasin in the when you want to speak the answer. Kira-kira, do you get the order or the mention? Ada komen? Paham nggak kira-kira maksudnya?
Iya, paham, Kak.
Paham ya? Jadi Grace akan dapat kanguru ya, and Zahra lumba-lumba, and Mutia crocodile. Oke, if you want to try, you can say it. Ada yang mau mencoba duluan di sini? Boleh banget nih. Kalau ada yang mau mencoba, boleh banget untuk mencoba. Ya, untuk yang captivity itu adalah sebuah kayak penangkaran gitu ya, atau kayak untuk menampung captivity seperti kandang penangkaran, something like that. So for the example, I will say about owl. So look at the pictures. What are they called? So that is owl. So where do they live? So kira-kira di mana ya kira-kira? Owl live. So owl live in wild, kayak in the forest and in the night. And what do they eat? So all eat something like insect or fruit. So it is like omnivora. So that is the short knowledge about owl ya. Tapi nanti kalian boleh banget untuk jabarin lebih panjang ya. So that is only for short opinion about owl atau burung hantu. Oke, ada yang mau mencoba duluan di sini? If you want to try it, you can say it. So this what are they called? So it is owl, burung hantu. Where do they live? So they live in forests or in hill, pegunungan, or something like that. And what do they eat? So they eat something like so it kinds of omnivores atau pemakan segalanya. So they eat something like mouse, insect, or little bird. So that is the short knowledge about owl. So have you ever seen these animals in the wild? Yes, I have seen something like this in the wild, di alam luas ya. Jadi pernah melihat ada burung hantu langsung in the apa ya kalau kebonan itu di bahasa Inggris, in the forest behind the house. Okay, so that is about the short knowledge. Have you ever seen these animals in captivity? Yes, there is something in zoo, mini zoo. So they have owl in the cage atau di kandang. Oke, so that is short knowledge. Oke, ada yang mau mencoba di sini? Mutia, Zahra, Chris, you want to try?
I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Hmm, itu crocodile.
Mhm.
Terus apa ya?
You
Live-nya ya?
can say it in English ya, Mutia.
Oke. What are they called? Dia tuh crocodile.
Mhm.
Where do they live? They live in the swamps and still water. Yeah, maybe.
Okay, still water. Okay.
Terus apa ya? What do they eat? Um, maybe in ini meat and animals.
Okay, meat and animals. Okay, that's good. And then for number two, Mutia.
Number two, no, nggak pernah lihat.
So you have never seen crocodile in your life?
No, nggak pernah.
In something like in zoo or mini zoo or in
Oh
penangkaran?
ya, pernah.
Okay,
Ya,
so you ever seen sorry, there is crocodile in zoo ya?
zoo. Yes.
Okay, that's great. That's all, Mutia?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Mutia.
You're
Alright,
welcome.
so that is from Mutia. Next, Grace or Zahra?
Boleh try.
Okay, Grace, please.
Picture 3 kan?
Yeah, picture three, kangaroo.
Okay, his name is Kangaroo. He lives in Australia and his food grass, rumput, grass.
Mhm. Grace, rumput.
And
Mhm.
yeah, number 2, I have never seen both of them, but I only saw the through social media.
Okay, you only see the kangaroo in internet ya?
Yeah, internet.
Okay, so you have never seen a kangaroo in real life, nggak pernah lihat langsung ya?
Yeah,
Okay, okay, that's all, Grace.
yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Grace, for trying this one. Okay, then next, Zahra, you wanna try?
I wanna try it.
Okay, please.
What are they called? Uh, a dolphin, and where do they live? They live in the sea or ocean, and what
Mhm.
do they eat? They eat fish and squid.
Okay,
Number
number two.
two, uh, uh, I have never seen a dolphin in the wild, but I have seen them in captivity at the zoo.
Okay, you only see dolphin in the zoo ya?
Yes, Kak.
Okay, do you like it?
Apa, Kak?
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's all, Zahra?
Yes, Kak.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Zahra. Okay, thank you very much, Zahra, Grace, and Mutia for trying in the warm-up question. Jadi itu tadi adalah untuk pemanasan kita hari ini about amazing animals. So in the amazing animals, the first one we have owl, crocodile, kangaroo, and dolphin. Okay, we will continue to the next. We will have this the question here. So discuss the questions about animal here. We have three animals about nocturnal animals, predators animals, and venomous animals. Nah, di sini ada tiga jenis nih. Ada nocturnal, predators, venomous. Jadi ada hewan yang nocturnal, ada hewan predator, dan hewan yang berbisa atau beracun nih. Jadi di sini perintahnya, please mention. We have three. And then I want you to say it. Three animals about nocturnal predators venomous. The minimum is two. You can mention two in every part. So nocturnal two, predators two, venomous two. The minimal ya, and the maximal nggak usah ditentukan maksimalnya. Jadi bebas mau pilih yang mana. So now please mention for this part. Ada yang mau mencoba to mention animals, nocturnal predators or venomous?
Cap, nocturnal
Ya,
tuh gimana ya maksudnya?
nocturnal. Kira-kira tahu nggak nih nocturnal itu apa?
Em, apa ya? Binatang
Nocturnal
kecil.
itu nocturnal itu hewan yang nggak bisa bubuk di siang, sorry, nggak bisa bubuk di malam hari atau yang aktivitasnya ada di malam hari.
Oh,
Do you get it?
ya saya get it.
Oke, jadi hewan-hewan yang aktivitasnya ada di malam hari ini. Terus untuk yang predator berarti hewan yang predator atau hewan-hewan yang buas gitu yang bisa memangsa hewan lain yang buas ya kan. And venomous itu hewan yang berbisa. Jadi hewan yang beracun. Kira-kira kalau terkena hewan ini bisa beracun, berefek ke seluruh tubuh in our body and it can cause death, kematian. Oke, ada yang mau mencoba? The minimum is only two. Minimal dua doang untuk per part. Oke, ada yang mau mencoba?
Yes, I wanna try.
Oke, please. Mutia.
Number one, yang nocturnal itu
Mhm,
contohnya bats, owl,
mhm.
terus apa lagi ya?
Bat, owl. Oke, you can mention two
Terus
aja ya, nggak apa-apa.
apa?
You can only two,
Dua
it's
aja.
okay.
Oke.
Mhm,
Terus yang number two, predator. eh, itu contohnya lions, tiger, bear,
mhm.
komodo, terus white shark. Oh ya dua aja.
Oke, only two. And you can
Oke.
use English ya, Mutia.
Oke. And then number three,
Mhm.
venomous, jellyfish and snake. Dah.
Jellyfish and snake. Okay, have
Yes.
you ever seen jellyfish before?
Apanya?
Have you ever seen jellyfish before?
Beef.
Pernah lihat ubur-ubur?
Pernah. Yes.
Oke, tapi have you ever been stung? Pernah disengat?
Pernah.
Really?
Yes.
So
Di
how do you feel?
Sabang.
How did you feel?
Kayak gatal gitu, kayak apa sih? Gatal.
Oh, so that is itchy. Gatal ya?
Yes.
Oh, but that is not very, very dangerous.
Dangerous, Cap. Very,
Oh,
very
really?
dangerous. Yes.
Until what is the most dangerous? Yang paling berbahaya gimana?
Karena kayak merah-merah gitu, bintik-bintik gitu.
Oh, and that is very, very itchy.
Yes.
Okay, so how did you get better after stung by jellyfish?
Hmm, maksudnya Cap kayak
Setelah
eh
penyembuhannya gimana nih?
oh pakai ke dokter kayak gitu.
Oh, you
Harus pakai
saw
salep
a
gitu.
doctor. Oh, okay. That must be so menderita banget ya, suffer. Okay, good job Mutia. Thank you very much Mutia.
Okay.
Okay, so that is from Mutia. Okay, next. Siapa nih yang mau coba? Chris, Zahra, you wanna try? Okay, Chris, you want to try?
Kak, is the question I try only one or only three?
You can try three number and the its number you can mention two animals.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay, please. Or Chris, you want to try?
Yeah, I will try. Number one, I can
Mhm.
name nocturnal animals such as koala and apa ya tadi ya? Oh,
Koala,
burung hantu.
koala and owl. So you
Koala.
choose koala and owl.
And number two, I
Mhm.
can name two predators such as snake and crocodile.
So predators, you choose snake and crocodile.
And number three, uh, animals such as apa ya? Jellyfish
Jellyfish
and cobra.
and cobra. So there is jellyfish and snake ya.
Oh, yeah, snake.
Cobra kan snake kan?
Yeah,
Okay, that's good. Okay, have you ever seen jellyfish or snake in your real life, Chris?
snake. Yeah, jellyfish. No.
Oh, okay. Oke, tapi have you ever bitten by snake?
Apa?
Have you ever bitten?
No.
Nggak pernah digigit ya untungnya.
No.
Oh, have you ever been bitten? Sorry. Nggak pernah digigit ya untungnya.
No.
Oke. Oke, that's good. That's all,
Okay.
Chris?
Yeah, that's
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so that is from Chris. Next, Zahra, you want to try?
I wanna try it.
Okay, please.
Number one, nocturnal animal. The animal is owl,
Mm-hmm.
wolf.
Wolf.
Yes. Number two,
Mm-hmm.
predator animals. Snake,
Snake. Mm-hmm.
cheetah.
Cheetah.
Yeah. And
And
number
then
three, venomous animal, scorpion
mm-hmm.
and spider.
Scorpion and spider. Okay, that's so mengerikan. Terrible. Spider and scorpion is part of insect. Okay, Zahra, have you ever seen scorpion or spider in your real life?
Yes.
Both of them, or only spider, or only scorpion?
Only spider.
Only spider. So you have never been, sorry, you have never met scorpion ya sepertinya.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's good. So have you ever been bitten by spider? Sorry,
Um.
spider, bukan Spider-Man, sorry, spider. Have you ever bitten by spider?
No.
Berarti nggak pernah digigit ya untungnya.
Nggak pernah.
Oke, oke, that's all, Zara.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Zahra, for trying this part. Okay, so that is for this part. So this describe about nocturnal predators and venomous. So nocturnal animals, hewan yang hidup di malam hari, and predators, hewan yang memangsa, and venomous, hewan yang berbisa atau beracun. Okay, thank you very much for trying this part. Okay, and now we will have this. So now here, I want you to read this part. We have one, two, three, four. Okay, we have four paragraphs. Ada 4 paragraphs nih. One, two, three, four. And we will have reading section. Oke, untuk di sini kita ada. Oke, wait a minute. Number one, two, three, four. The title is The Weird and Wonderful World We Live In. Jadi, keanehan dan keagungan atau keindahan dari dunia yang kita tinggali di sini nih. We have this is for the introduction untuk pengenalan pertama dan di sini for the diisi ada the content we have one, two, three, four. We have 4 paragraphs. Okay, now we will have 4 paragraphs. I will choose Grace for paragraph number one, and Zahra paragraph number two, and Mutia paragraph number three. Okay, the last paragraph is for me. Is for me. Okay, now we will have reading section. Kita akan mencoba untuk membaca. For this part, oke, ada yang mau mencoba duluan di sini? Atau mau urut aja? Mau urut atau dipanggil? Sepertinya urut aja ya berarti. Okay, so we will start from Chris. You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try.
Okay, please. Paragraph number one.
Yang garis itu nggak diisi kan?
Enggak, only the reading part.
Okay. Number one, what's so strange about a dog? You might ask. Not very much until you see this animal, which is also known as the Hungarian sheepdog. It's a large
Large,
white-colored dog, large white-colored dog that has been trained to guard from farm animals such as sheep and goats. Its hair coat, its hair coat
huge,
of rope-like hair, huge coat of rope-like hair looks better suited to using a kitchen fur than protecting gitu, protecting sheep
Protecting
from wolves. However, its coat has multiple eh,
multiple,
multiple
multiple,
multiple multiple uses. It's protect the dog from freezing Hungarian winters and allows it to hide in the middle of the flock it's protecting. A passing wolf would get nasty surprised if a huge dog jump
jump,
out from
jump.
the ship. Yeah, jump out from the ship. They thought you are more like likely to find this loyal friend in the park
Friend,
with huh?
loyal
friend
friend.
loyal friend in the park with its owner on a Sunday afternoon.
Okay, that's great, Chris. Okay, Chris, the first one. Okay, please read this part.
Wait, apa?
Yang ini kelihatan nggak? Yang ini.
No. Ya Allah.
Noun, ada n-nya ya, noun. Jadi yang dibaca kayak k-nya nggak usah jadi noun gitu.
Ya, no. Oke.
Noun. Terus yang ini
Large.
bacanya
Aduh,
large, large,
large.
large gitu. Large. Bacanya large.
Large.
Oke.
Large. Oke.
And then for this,
Huge.
huge. Okay, that's great. And then this,
Multiple. Multiply.
multiple, multiple,
Multiple.
multiple. Jadi bacanya multiple.
Multiple.
Okay, and then for the last year,
Middle.
bacanya middle.
Middle. Middle. Oh,
Middle ya.
oke.
Middle, bukan middle tapi middle. Kayak kalau
Oke.
tengah, bahasa Inggrisnya tengah apa, Grace?
Apa?
Bahasa Inggrisnya tengah apa?
Aku nggak tahu.
Kayak mid gitu ya. Nah, jadi
Oh,
middle.
tengah.
Tengah kan mid, jadi
Mid.
middle. Oke?
Oh iya. Oke.
Any question?
No.
No. Okay, good job. Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, so that is from Grace for the first paragraph. Okay, we'll continue to the next paragraph. The second paragraph, it will be Zahra.
And egg-laying mammals impossible. Well said to this animal which, as well as being a mammal, is also nocturnal and poisonous. Like many strange-looking animals, it lives in Australia. Its venom, although not deadly, is extremely painful. Strangely, the poison is not used to hunt, for that it uses something called electroreception. This is the ability to sense changes in electric field in a similar way to shark. Electroreception means this animal can hunt without using any of the five usual senses. This little creature only grows to around 20 inches in length, but is so unique that it's the only animal in its scientific family.
Okay, that's perfect, Zahra. Thank you very much. Okay, Zahra, can you repeat this?
Strangely,
Bacanya strange, kayak strangely gitu.
strangely,
Strangely gitu ya, bukan strange. Jadi kayak G-nya nggak usah dibaca gitu, kayak strangely gitu. Strange,
str-
strangely gitu.
strangely.
Strangely. Oke, terus I think only that. Dan juga jangan lupa ya untuk SS-nya jangan lupa dibaca. Kayak yang ini tadi baca gimana?
Change,
Baca change.
Okay. Change.
Ya, kayak change. Kayak change. Ada S-nya. Oke, any question, Zara?
Okay.
Okay, great. Good job. Thank you very much, Zahra. Alright, so that is from Zahra. Okay, next we will have Mutia for number three.
Okay. If you wanted, yang nomor 3 kan, Cap?
Yeah, number three.
If you wanted to imagine a terrifying looking creature that looks like something from a dinosaur movie, then you would probably be imagining this animal when it lifts its giant frill. This creature has a frightening appearance. Appearance. Fortunately,
Appearance.
it Oh yeah, appearance. Fortunately, it only does this when it attacks or feels under threat. This is another animal from Oceania, and it might be a relief to her that it is harmless, as they are only interested in insects. However, plenty of animals are interested in the lizard. So it has adapted its body, its body, body,
Body.
body to protect itself from potential predator. This lizard can run
Extremely.
extremely fast, and
Extreme.
when
Extreme.
it's
Extremely gitu.
extremely, gitu kan?
Extremely gitu.
Oh, extremely fast, and when it's moving, quickly, it can run on just its back, two legs. Two legs. Yeah.
Okay. Relax. Okay, good job. Okay, so Mutia, can you repeat this part?
Appearance.
Appearance.
Of appearance.
Appearance, ya. Appearance.
Appearance. Appearance. Gitu kan?
Appearance. Appearance.
Oke.
Oke, lalu yang ini?
Trait.
Ini banyak thread ya. Thread.
Oh, threat.
Thread. Kayak thread gitu. Bukan treat, tapi
Threat.
thread ya.
Oke.
Thread. Lalu yang ini?
Plenty.
Plenty. Oke, we have plenty. Terus, the next, this tadi?
Extremely.
Extremely. And then here?
Quickly.
Quick.
Oh, quick. Oke.
Quickly.
Quickly.
Okay, quickly. Okay, any question?
No.
No. Okay, if you don't have any question, we will continue to the next. Perfect. Thank you very much, Mutia.
Okay.
Okay, so that is from Mutia. Okay, thank you very much everyone for trying this part. Okay, we will continue to the next. So the next here we will have this. So here you will speak about this, describing a strange animal that you think. Enggak sih, enggak harus. Jadi you will describe about animal. Jadi bebas mau hewan apa aja nih. So you can choose this animal name, animal type, where it lives, what it eats, what special features it has, an interesting fact about this animal. Okay, only this a photo or drawing. Ini nggak usah. And okay, why do you like it or find it interesting? Jadi di sini ada sebutkan name, nama, animal type, jenis hewannya, and where it lives, di mana ini tinggal, habitatnya, and what it eats, makanannya apa, and what special features it has. Jadi kayak kelebihannya hewan ini ada apa ya? Kayak misalnya gajah berarti punya siung, gading, nah, kayak gitu. And an interesting fact about this animal. Jadi fakta unik tentang hewan ini. Terus sama why do you like it or find it interesting. Jadi kenapa kamu suka ini atau kenapa menurut kamu ini menarik. Jadi bebas mau hewan apa aja nih. It feels free to choose. Kira-kira, do you get about the order? Paham nggak kira-kira? Chris, Zahra, Mutia, do you know about the mention? And sorry, the order?
Yes, Cap. I get it.
Oke, oke, silakan pilih hewan bebas. Oke, silakan disebutkan hewannya, tapi biar gak sama semuanya. Mutia, Chris, Zahra, pilih apa gitu? Oke, ada yang mau memilih duluan? Biar tidak sama dengan teman yang lainnya nih. Oke, how about Chris? Mau pilih hewan apa? Atau Mutia? Atau Zara?
Jellyfish, Cap. Mutia.
Oke, so Mutia, you choose jellyfish.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And then Zahra,
Koala Cap.
koala. Okay, Zahra will be koala. And then Grace, Grace mau hewan apa nih?
Eh,
Hmm, Grace,
eh, frog deh katak.
frog. Okay, you choose frog. Okay, so there's Mutia will be jellyfish and Zahra koala, and the last Grace is frog. Okay, so now please to the task. Silahkan dikerjakan tugasnya. You have to find the name, the animal type, where it lives, what it eats, and what special features it has, an interesting fact about this animal, and why do you like it or find it interesting. So, all of this part you have to use English. Silahkan menggunakan bahasa Inggris ya. Oke, silahkan mulai dikerjakan. Oke, untuk yang mau coba boleh banget nih untuk bisa langsung dicoba. Oke, ada yang mau mencoba duluan? Who wants to try? Chris, Mutia, Zahra, you want to try? Ada yang mau mencoba? Okay, if you want to try, you can say it. About this part, name animal type, where it lives, what it eats, what special features it has, an interesting fact about this animal, and why do you like it or find it interesting? Okay. Mutia, have you done Mutia? Udah selesai Mutia? Oh, belum. How about Chris? Have you done? Okay, Mutia, have you done?
Bentar, Cap ya, belum.
Okay, okay, please. Okay, Zahra, have you done Zahra? Oke, sepertinya belum juga untuk Zahra. How about Grace? Have you done Grace? Oke, belum juga. Ini boleh banget nih kalau untuk yang mau mempresentasikan about your answer about animal. So the animal Mutia jellyfish, Zahra koala, and Grace frog. Oke, gimana? Grace, Zahra, Mutia, have you done? Oke, gimana? Grace, have you done Grace? Oke, Zahra, have you done Zahra? Oke, Mutia.
Yep, I wanna try. Yes.
Oke, please.
Um, Pertama, the name of this animal is jellyfish, and
Mhm,
then animal type. This type of animal is invertebrata,
Okay.
and then they eh live life live
Leaves.
they live in sea and in the sea.
Okay.
Terus they eat itu tuh kayak plankton sama shrimp, udang.
Okay. Plankton and shrimp.
Yes. Apa lagi ya? What special feature? Itu uh, karakter mereka ya, kayak ciri-cirinya ya.
Special features. Jadi kayak ada apanya nih? Punya something like
Oh,
apa?
jadi kayak bentuk tubuhnya tuh kayak umbrella.
Uh, you can use English ya.
Okay. Its character is that has an umbrella shaped body and
Mhm.
no brain.
Okay,
Yes.
so it doesn't have brain ya.
Yes. And then interesting fact. Um, an interesting fact about enggak apa ya? Oh yeah. An interesting fact about this animal is that this creature is older than dinosaurs.
Hmm. Okay, that's good.
And then yang terakhir, mereka ini kayak they are very unique because their bodies are invisible.
Wait, their body is invisible.
Yes.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's all, Cap.
Okay, that's great. Okay, good job, Mutia. So you just jellyfish. So this is part of invertebrata, and it lives in sea or ocean. And
Yes.
what it eats, so they eat plankton and shrimp. And then what special features? It has umbrella shape, and it doesn't have brain. And you can say it has something like tentacles. Punya tentacles kan?
Yeah.
Okay, so it has tentacles that can sting someone, bisa menyengat seseorang. And then you choose for interesting fact about this animal you choose. So jellyfish is older than dinosaur. Lebih tua daripada
Dinosaurus.
dinosaurs. Okay, and then why do you like it? You choose you find it interesting because the body of jellyfish is invisible atau transparan gitu ya.
Yes.
Okay, that's all, Chris. So that's all, Mutia.
That's all, Cap.
Okay, that's a great opinion. Thank you very much, Mutia, for sharing this part.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, my pleasure. Okay, so that is from Mutia. Okay, next. Zahra, you want to try? Okay, Zahra, sepertinya belum. How about Grace? You want to try? Oke, Grace, have you done? Udah selesai belum, Grace? Atau
Yeah,
mau coba?
the cat.
Oke, please.
Yeah. The name of these animals is a frog. Animal
Mhm,
type, it is an amphibian.
mhm.
Uh, it lives in it lives in wet places such as ponds, rivers, and forests.
Mhm.
And it eats it's what it eats. It's insects, worms, and small animals.
Okay.
Special features ini. It has strong back legs for jumping and along,
It has,
and
sorry,
sticky apa?
it has long legs
What?
and the special
No, it
features.
has strong back leg. It has strong back
Oh,
legs for
strong,
jumping.
strong, strong back leg.
Yeah,
Mhm,
jumping and along,
mhm.
and sticky tongue, lidah,
Okay. And
and
sticky tongue.
interesting. Yeah, and interesting facts. is that frogs can breathe through their skin, bernafas
Oh, the
melalui
kulit.
kulit.
Mhm.
Yeah, and why you like it? I don't like it, frogs, but I am interested in their unique.
Because that is unique.
Lebih suka keunikannya.
Okay, because
Ya,
you like it because it is so unique animal.
ya,
Okay, that's all, Chris.
ya, Kak.
Okay, that's great. So you choose the name is frog, and the animal type of this animal is amphibian. So where it lives in ponds, river, or forests. And what it eats insect, worm, and small animals. And what special features about frog? So those are it has strong back legs for jumping, and then sticky tongue, lidah yang lengket. And then interest, an interesting fact about this animal, so frog breathe through skin, bernafas melalui kulit. And then why do you like it or why or find it interesting? Actually, you don't like it, but you find it interesting because the frog is very unique for you. That's all.
Ya, ya,
Okay,
Kak.
that's great. Thank you very much, Chris, for trying this
Thank
one.
you.
Okay, so this from Chris. Okay, next, Zahra, you want to try?
I wanna try Cap.
Okay, please.
The name of the animal is koala. The
Mm-hmm,
type of animal is a mammal.
mm-hmm,
We can find koala in Australia,
okay,
especially in eucalyptus forest.
mm-hmm,
The animal eats eucalyptus leaf.
mm-hmm,
Special features of the koala are strong claws for climbing and a good sense of smell. And an interesting fact about the koala is that it can sleep for 18 to 20 hours a day.
mm-hmm.
And I like the koala because it is cute and calm.
Cute
That's all.
and calm. Okay, that's great. Okay, so you choose koala. So that is part of mammals, and you can find it in Australia, especially in eucalyptus forests. And what it eats, so they eat eucalyptus leaves atau daun eucalyptus ya. So what special features about koala? So that is like it has good sense in smell. And then for what special interesting fact about this animal, it can sleep more than 18 hours in a day. Bisa tidur 18 jam sehari. And then why do you like it? So you like it because koala is so cute and calm. Okay, that's all, Zara.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much, Zahra, for trying this one. Okay, so that is from Zahra. Okay, from here, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira? Please, Zahra, Mutia, do you have any question?
No.
No. Okay, if you don't have any question, we will have documentation section. Kita akan punya sesi dokumentasi. So now, please turn on your camera and we will take picture together. Kita akan foto bersama dengan materinya. Okay, Chris, Zahra, Mutia, please open your camera. Okay, we have Mutia, Zahra, and Grace. Okay, so now I will count one until three. Alright, one, two, three. Okay, let me save it first. Okay, one more time without the material. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, let me save it first.